Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to manage notifications on your PC. Windows 10's Action Center houses and manages the notifications spawned by your system's various apps. You might not want every Microsoft Store app you install barking at you all the time, however, or maybe you don't want to see any notifications while you're in presentation mode. You might just want to silence the annoying ads that the Get Office app spawns. Fortunately, those are easy to tweak. Individual Windows Store apps, like the Mail app, tend to have more granular notification options in the settings menus inside the apps themselves. Microsoft's Focus Assist tool also contains options that limit which notifications appear when you're playing games or other full-screen apps. To tinder your notifications, this is how you can do it. Head to Start menu and into the search box type in Settings, then click on it once you've found it. Locate where it's written System and click on it. Search where it's written Notifications and Actions and click on it. You can now choose which notifications you want to see. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.